Shri T.P. Bhatia College of Science of the Kandivali Education Society offers vocational bifocal subject Electrical Maintenance. This subject, Electrical Maintenance, is very useful to the students pursuing admissions in engineering, architecture and interior designing. The benefits of this subject are numerous. Electrical maintenance is a practical-oriented subject that deals with the study of different types of domestic appliances, generators, motors and their maintenance. This is a very scoring subject with 200 marks, out of which 120 marks are for practical and 80 marks for the theory. The college has a record of 100% marks in this subject since last several years. Students specially opt this subject to improve their percentage. Shri T.P. Bhatia College of Science has the largest electrical maintenance lab in Mumbai, fully equipped with all types of electrical machines and gadgets such as generators, transformers, motors, etc. Industrial visit is a part of our co-curricular activities in this subject. The visits to several industries like Delta Electronics, Arva Electricals are conducted as a part of their study. It gives students opportunity to ask questions to the people working there and develop their skills. Our past students gave their testimony about the valuable inputs this subject teaches them, and while they are studying at several IITs, colleges of architecture, engineering colleges all over India, they define that this subject has helped them in becoming a better engineer. So, opt for this subject electrical maintenance in our college if you want to become an engineer, architect, interior designer, or you want to start your own business.
Hi everyone, this is Architect Shravya Suvarna, an ex-student of Shri T.P. Bhatia Junior College of Science. In order to prepare for NATA, I had to look up a subject that will help me score more with less efforts, and with the right guidance from my seniors, I opted for electrical maintenance. Now, EM has topics like engineering drawing, building services, wiring system, etc., which are also some of the topics in my NATA and architectural curriculum. Since I was already apt with these topics during my 11th and 12th, I could score better in compared to the others in line. I can handle any electrical driven emergencies, be it on site or at home. And I think it is important for all of us to know the basics of the subject to be able to be self-sustained in future. Seeing the benefits what the subject has to offer, I could also ask my sister to take up the same route, and today she is doing IT engineering. All the best everyone.